A quick and easy way to take a snip of just part of your screen is to use the Snipping Tool. You can find it by beginning at the Start menu at the lower left. Click it one time and type Snip. You see the app opens and I have these choices. I have the choice to unpin from taskbar because I already have it pinned. Yours may say Pin to taskbar. When I'm ready to take a snip, I simply click on the scissor icon, select New, and then drag over the part of it that I want to snip. I'm now ready to annotate over it using the pen, highlight on it using the highlighter, or simply save it. I typically save it to my desktop so that it is easily accessible.